know the Ricks the at the beginning of your video
What?
it says Aussie and Rixmo.
Yep.
Just to point that out, I'm doing a little lore in my YouTube channel. Rixmo is a different entity to me, so yeah.
Well, I mean,
Fuck
I
your
was
gay
I
ass
was
fucking
referencing
entity.
your
I
YouTube
don't give
channel.
a fuck if you're an SCP, you
Yeah.
overweight
No,
fuck.
we don't.
Well,
We
I
don't
was
fucking care about your
Wait.
law. Your YouTube
Fuck
channel's name is
you!
Rixamo.
I was
Your
referencing
intro
Let
your
is
us the
so
name.
gay.
characters!
I was referencing your YouTube name. That's why.
Yeah,
okay.
it's his YouTube name.
Kim var valla.
Okay then.
I barely even spoke Turkish news.
Where are you going, Ozzy?
Now I'm gonna get my
Slash Rixmo.
Come on.
I'm gonna butt
Yeah.
Overwatch.
So basically just CSGO, Overwatch, and Apex.
Native Chinese.
Sure.
He didn't even put Chinese in there, what the fuck? Native Chinese.
Native cheese.
Oh,
Native cheese.
oh god.
China.
Okay, everyone stay silent for a bit. Hello once again.
Hi.
Alright, I forgot I had a name. Hi, I'm the Skeleton Man. I have X's for eyes. That's it.
Yes, and I'm Aussie, not Rixmo, not the furry. I'm not a furry, okay?
Next.
Hi, I'm Fancy Man.
Thank you for making me deaf.
This
I
introduction
am-
sucks.
I am a native Somalian. I like to scam my wife for
You're a native
internet
cheam.
connection. I
Get it
like
right.
to scam my wife on native fucking. Damn it, you fucked me up again.
You're a native cheam. Get it right.
Cut your high ass.
I
Blueberry.
Oh.
Death.
Oh, it was the word.
Shit.
Blueberry. Blueberry?
Even if
No,
Why
Damn,
you
I
so
was gonna-
blue?
you better not.
I was enjoying him divorcing his wife right next to a blueberry.
What? That was
I couldn't even
alarming.
finish. I get it.
Ha! Funny!
Alright.
I laugh.
Get ready for
Make
face.
sure you like, comment, and subscribe because of that funny stuff.
No.
Shut up before I stick a 10-foot pipe
Oh,
up.
shut up.
You call that a fuck?
So my
Did you
render-
fart into your mic?
Yes. But it wasn't. I didn't render it properly. It was a pretty loud one. On my
He's always talking and he's very sad and he's yeah.
What?
Oh god, he's like. And then over here,
You high
oh,
pitched rabbit.
welcome back to the next
I am not a-
episode of K Cocaine.
Is that who is that? Holy sh! Is that
Oh
Gargamel?
god, those eyes.
Welcome.
Is that
Oh, yeah.
Gargamel?
I have
They're
never heard
looking
that
at
name in
you,
such a long
naive chin. They're judging you.
time.
The eyes
The
of
Tic Tac
judgment.
head.
This is a good. This is good. I like this.
Indubitably.
Indubitably.
Scrumptious, my good.
Scrumpy.
Scrum.
Is it Scrumpy or
It's
Scrumpy?
scrumpy, not scrumpy, you.
Scrumpy. Holy shit! Why is he buff?
What do you mean?
He got them giant
He got a
shoulders.
Dorito. He got a Dorito on his. He got a what the?
He's allergic to the color. Shoulder. He has shoulder, I think.
Shut up. Oh, God damn it, fancy man.
Aha, I'm that intelligent I accidentally say it. It is a wolf.
You will because Batman. I'm gay.
So it has horns. Don't forget the horns, man.
Horns. Why does it got a beak?
It's got beak.
Is
I'm
it? Is this from the first
I
episode?
forgot how to spell scam.
Like that.
Peter.
For tuberculosis.
Hey,
God
Peter,
damn.
my wife recently divorced me because my penis doesn't work.
Germany.
My legs are broke. Oh, shut up.
Peter.
Oh. Oh.
Minecraft didn't invent.
Yes, it did. Minecraft invented
The
it.
ancient.
Yo, I'm Irish. I'm a very weak Scottish person. I'm just Scottish, but I can't throw logs, and I'm very weak. My arms are skinny as,
And I like potatoes.
and my fucking
Potatoes.
accent's.
it's
Cliffhanger.
Shut up, bruv.
here's Australia, as you can see.
Cliffhanger.
Man,
And other countries that it's not important right now. And
That is not
here,
Australia.
that is
It's
Australia. I don't
Rick's
know.
portal gun.
Anyway, here you see our future.
Meteor.
I'm about to get very political in a second.
That moon.
That's not a moon.
Someone ate that moon.
You know,
Cheese.
look, it's coming right towards us. Oh, we're all gonna die. Jesus
How do-
fucking Christ.
How do I spell it?
God,
How do I
you
spell
can't.
it?
God,
How do I-
Jesus.
It's
No.
obvious.
You spell it with an "ite" at the end.
Um,
Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up.
no,
You can't.
That's true.
No.
Well, he's not wrong.
What is another way to say?
no, I don't know.
it?
Me, oh. You didn't think of that,
Wow.
man.
Well, you're not wrong. You said meteor.
Wait,
Ooh.
I can't
wait.
bloom.
wait, who is this? Who am I pointing at?
Who are you
Oh
pointing
no.
at?
You're pointing at
No
no
one.
one.
No one knows.
Pointing at
Wait.
no one.
What if
Oh,
I
I
point
think-
at the...
iPad
Well,
is
you're
bigger.
pointing at yourself now.
Then who is this? Wait, who is this one again?
No one.
That's no one.
No one.
How? What
There's
about...
nothing. Are you talking
That
about?
would be me.
Oh my God. Is
Then
it?
where's
Okay.
Aussie?
He is the.
I'm
Well,
at the bottom.
now you're
Is
pointing
it
at
him?
yourself.
Yeah, you're pointing at yourself.
Is it him?
No,
You're stupid.
you got so
Okay,
far down.
you know what? It's...
He is pointing between me and. You're not even pointing at anyone.
You know, he's pointing at something.
No, he's not pointing at any of us. He's pointing at the gap.
He's pointing at all of us.
No, he's not even pointing at us. He's pointing between the gaps of us.
You know, you already said it was Aussie, so just.
So it has to be.
Read.
Oh. No.
Go. Go?
Bozo.
Wait.
Shit.
What is it? Okay.
C.
Oh no.
C. Dicky cheese.
Think you sound. Anyway, fine. Benim. Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, how the fuck did you say that correct?
Book.
Congratulations.
Or is it
Book?
Buck?
Buck.
Sikkim. Really? Voila.
Good job.
Say it in full. Wait, say it in full sentence.
Benim Book. Sikkim voila.
You really
You
chopped
got
off
it
that
right.
sentence.
Yeah, you
You
actually
got
got
it
it right.
right.
What the hell does that say?
It means I have a big dick wall.
Ah!